Example 2, writing an equation. So a skydiving company has a profit of $750 this week. This profit is $900 more than the profit, which is, we're going to use P in the equation. So they just put a P here, let you know that P in the equation means profit. So they have $900 more than the profit last week. Which equation can be used to find P? So the company has a profit of $750. We're going to need to annotate this word problem. So we know that 750, this means, and we know it's a profit, this means that it's going to be a positive of 750. So we know it's going to be a positive $750. The profit is $900 more. Anytime we see the word more, that means we are going to add. So I'm going to put a plus sign above more. Then the profit of last week, which was P is what we're calling profit. So we're going to look for an equation that is $900 more than P. So that means 900 plus P. So we are going to use B because 750 is, which is what equals means. So this profit, which was 750, is, which is equals, $900 more than P. So P plus 900. So our equation is 750 equals P plus 900. So now let's solve for P. We're going to draw a line down the equal sign, and we need to get P by itself. Right now we are adding 900, so we're going to subtract $900 from both sides of the equation. 900 minus 900 is 0, so we just exit that out, and we get P equals 750 minus 900. So 750 minus 900 gives us negative $150. So the correct answer is negative $150. Because we wanted to know, well, how much did they earn last week? Last week they didn't earn anything. They were in debt $150. So now I want you to pause the video and I want you to do the try it on your own. And once you're done with the try it, unpause the video and check your answer with mine. So a bakery has a profit of $120.50 today. So we know that's positive because we made a profit. So I'm just going to put a little plus here because we know it's positive. This profit, which they're talking about $120.50, means equals $145.25 less than our profit from yesterday. Less than means we're going to subtract the two. So when I write my equation, I have $120.50 equals, because I had an equals here, and it's $145 less than yesterday's profit. So yesterday's profit was P, because we don't know what that is yet, minus $145.25. So now we are going to solve it. So we draw a line down the equal sign. I need to get P by itself. And right now P is being added or subtracted by $145.25. So we need to add $145.25 to both sides. These cancel, and I have P equals, and then 0 plus 5 is 5. 5 plus 2 is 7. Bring down my decimal. 5 plus 0 is 5. 4 plus 2 is 6. 1 plus 1 is 2. So my profit yesterday was $265.75. And that makes sense because the profit I have today is less than what I made yesterday. So this should be a bigger number. So this is my answer.